simpliRP has a very unique, qualitative and quantitative analysis of the marketing department for a selected date. Marketing Daybook provides the list of sales invoices for a particular date. You can even click and view that invoice too. Also, it helps you with sales orders received on a particular date. It shows the sales order price against quoted price comparison. simpliRP guides you with quotations sent on that date. You can also click and view the quotations. Likewise, it also shows the number of inquiries received on a particular day. Also, it shows the number of sales visit or sales calls made and also number of hours spent on the sales visits or sales calls. simpliRP is the effective way to manage your sales activities. Thank you.